Welcome to this gentle 10-minute walk you can do at home to support digestion and healthy blood sugar after meals. I recommend waiting about 30 minutes after eating before starting this walk. That gives your body time to begin to digest and can help reduce issues like reflux or discomfort. Hi, I'm Emily, a registered nurse and yoga teacher, and I help women build simple, sustainable habits that support long-term health. As we get started, we're just going to start with a little walk in place, and then I'll show you the next 4 basic moves to our walk. Go ahead and extend your arms and give me some arm circles here, nice and gentle. As you walk, just allowing your breath to stay slow and steady. And you can start to reverse your circles here, taking your time. Gentle walking helps after meals, helps stimulate digestion to encourage movement through the digestive tract. Go ahead and release the arms and walk in place. Next move, we're going to go into our knee lifts. Lift a knee, maybe tap opposite hand to opposite knee if that feels okay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Coming up on our next move, preparing for our side steps. So just step side to side here, loosening up through the hips. Again, go at your own pace. Feel out what it feels like to be in your body today. And side to side we go. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. We always come back to home base, this walk in place. And coming up on our next move, give me some single leg kicks. So just kicking side to side, or alternating leg kicks. Back and forth we go. Working on these 4 basic moves to get us started. Doing a great job. Again, take your time, listen to your body. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk in place. Take the feet wide here, so widening your stance. And coming up on our wide leg knee lifts. Again, little rotation for the tummy here, activating through the core, drawing the belly button gently in towards the spine as you lift the knees. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Keep it going. Walk in place. Our next move coming up. Let's go into single leg kicks. So this time, instead of the alternating, kick one leg forward for me. Now you could have a wall or a chair for support here. Just playing around with the balance. Not here for super long. Feel how strong your body is. Here we go. A couple more here. 3, 2, and last one, best one. Nice job. Walk it out. Shake out the wrists, loosen up through the shoulders. Let's keep breathing long and deep. Nice, widening your stance again. And we'll prepare for those kickbacks again. So kick it back and back, side to side. Of course, if you are enjoying this channel, please be sure to subscribe. New workouts come out each week, and I love to hear from you. So leave me a comment if you enjoy this workout. 3, 2, and 1, walk in place. Great job. Just a little reminder, you're doing a great job today. Setting up for those single leg kicks on the other side. Here we go. Let's go for it. Kick it out. Use the space you got. Nice job. Proud of you. You said yes to your health and well-being today. You showed up for yourself. You're inspiring those around you. You're even inspiring yourself, hopefully a little bit, as you create positive change in your life. for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk in place. And just as a reminder, this doesn't have to be a long or intense workout. Just finding consistency and easy movements make a big difference over time. Get those arms involved. We're going to lift up, down, out, and back. Reaching up, down, out, and back. And we're halfway there already. See how fast these workouts go? Time flies when you're having fun. Three, 2, 1, walk in place. So not only are these workouts great for your digestive tract, but also for your nervous system and your posture. Continue to walk with the spine long, relax your jaw, and move into those side steps next. Maybe sink the hips down a little bit lower, maybe extend your legs a little farther if you want to intensify this. Of course, there's no rush here. This movement is to help support you and your health and help wind your body down. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Always coming back to home base whenever you need to. Take the feet wide. Here we go. Give me those kickbacks. One of my favorite moves here. Just kick the heels towards your backside. And if 10 minutes feels like too much some days, even just 5 minutes is very beneficial. This practice isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Great job. We're making it happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Over time, small habits like this can support digestion, energy levels, and overall metabolic health as well. Extend the arms. Give me some arm swings. Let's just loosen up through the shoulders, the upper back, the chest area. Have fun. Maybe you're smiling like me. Can't help it. And then we're going to move into a new move here. All right, moving into some shoulder rolls in one direction. Full body habits here, so full body workout. And let's reverse those shoulder rolls, other way. And just finish up. Maybe one big shoulder roll back. Relax the shoulders away from the ears, shake it all out, and let it go. Next, we're going to extend our arms. Let's go into some wrist rolls. Just keep it in one direction here for now. I'll let you know when it's time to reverse. And reverse if you're ready. Nice job. And then keep the hands extended. Pretend like you're flicking water off the tips of your fingers. This is really great for grip strength, strengthening the muscles, the architecture of the wrist and fingers. Nice job. Shake it out, let it go, walk in place. Coming up into the knee lifts. Maybe opposite hand taps opposite knee. So proud of you. Showed up, said yes to your health and wellness. 1 minute to go. Can you believe it? We're almost there. You got this. Together we've got this. You are supported by a whole world full of women just like you, walking and changing our lives one step at a time. Walk it out. If you'd like more gentle walks like this, please check out my website, emilydaugherty.com. I have a wellness academy over there. That's a safe and supportive place for women just like you. Let's move into that cool down. We got about 1 minute here to go. Keep walking and breathing. Take a couple rounds of angel breath. We inhale up and exhale down. Inhaling the arms reaching high to the sky. And exhale, releasing, lowering down. One more time, lots of love in, reach tall. And exhale lots of love out. Send the fingertips towards the ground. Shake it out and let it go. Nice job. So proud of you today. Way to go. Thank you so much for being here and sharing your time and your energy with myself and fellow walkers around the world. Until the meantime, take good care. See you next time.